Good morning, everyone. Welcome to September 26th Market Minute. I'm John Hopkins, President of Invested Central. Right now, we get the Dow futures down 19, S&P futures are down 2, and NASDAQ futures are down 8. Both Asian and European shares were lower overnight. Futures were lower ahead of the bell on Tuesday as traders awaited fresh economic reports. Both housing and consumer confidence numbers came out better than expected, but that didn't help the market from falling. Instead, by the time the market closed, all of the major indexes had fallen substantially. Today we'll get new home sales at 10 a.m. with the market looking for 380,000 units. There are no key earnings reports due out today. On the S&P, we've got the 20-day moving average at 1440, the 50-day at 1407, and the 200-day at 1356. The S&P closed at 1441 with support at 1440 and resistance at 1475. Yesterday was different than most market days recently, with the S&P closing at the low end of the range. In fact, by closing time, the S&P was at 1441, the low of the day, and pressing against a 20-day moving average just 1 point below. The bulls will now be tested big time as the S&P has mostly remained above the 20-day for 2 months now, which has given the bulls the upper hand. Should the S&P close below the 20-day, the momentum could shift to the bears. Thus, today's close is indeed important and could determine near-term market direction. Enter every trading day with an open mind. Starting out with little or no flexibility is a certain recipe for failure. This is John Hopkins. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another Market Minute.